डिजिटल मार्केटिंग में इफ यू वांट टू एंटर तो यू डोंट थिंक यार फेसबुक आता है, इंस्टाग्राम आता है, इट्स अ गुड थिंग, एवरीबडी नोज फेसबुक, स्कूल के बच्चे भी आजकल इंस्टाग्राम पे हो गए। तो और एड रन करना इज नॉट अ बिग थिंग, यू जस्ट क्लिक ऑन बूस्ट पोस्ट एंड हो गया एड रन। बट उसके पीछे का जो स्ट्रैटेजी है, उसके पीछे जो है, अगर इफ यू वांट टू ग्रो इनटू डिजिटल मार्केटिंग देन यू नीड टू फॉलो सर्टेन स्टेप्स, राइट? ऐसा नहीं है कि फेसबुक पोस्ट कर दिया तो मैं डिजिटल मार्केटर हूँ, बिकॉज मेनी पीपल राइट इन देयर सीवी दैट ओनली बिकॉज दे नो इंस्टाग्राम फेसबुक दे आर डिजिटल मार्केटर्स। एंड मैंने भी ये पहले लिखा था, तो मुझे भी बहुत एक इंटरव्यू में बहुत सुनाया था कि तू कुछ आता तो है नहीं, तो डिजिटल मार्केटर कैसे होगा। So hi, my name is Marmik Gupta, and I joined the MLP 27 batch of Craftshalla in July 24. And through Craftshalla, I got placed at Shabang, which is a digital marketing agency in Mumbai. I'm working as a full-time SEO executive. I'm basically from Mumbai. I was born in Mumbai, brought up in Mumbai. I did my schooling, college, everything here only. And I am an engineering graduate, so I have done IT engineering. And from engineering, I switched to marketing. I have almost around 7 to 8 years of experience working in marketing and in operations as well. To be honest, I went through everything. I saw all the other competitors as well, like IIT and Udemy courses and all as well. And Craftseller, the one thing that attracted me was the package thing, right? So it was like you are going to get minimum 4.5 LP ka package. So I was like, if somebody is promising that we are getting a package, the placement assistance is given by many other companies, right? But they don't promise a package. You can get a job 15 to 20,000 as well. So that will be their placement assistance. Yeah. So the screening test, when I took it, so I was like, if they're taking a screening test, it means they are serious, right? They don't want anybody who is say कोई भी आके join कर लेता है. It was to decide that whether this person is right for marketing or not, right? So it was not like कि कुछ भी basic MCQ लेके डाल दिया. It was like to test कि तुम marketing mindset है तुम्हारा कि नहीं. See, when I was in Craftshalla, it was not like I'm doing a course, right? So it was like I'm working in a company because we used to work on projects and we used to मतलब do live projects and all with actual money and all. It was not like theoretical के ये पढ़ लिया, ये तुमने platform पे देख लिया and that's it. You had to run a campaign. You had to explain why you ran the campaign. Then there were mock interviews for every module. So in those interviews, you have to explain why the things were going down or why the things are going up. So you need to understand what exactly you are doing in marketing and how are the things working. It's not like you are just looking at a Facebook platform and then, yeah, this is this, that's it, not theoretical. So in college, what we do, we learn theory, right? We learn theory and then we do some practical work, but we don't do live projects. So this was a difference. All the trainers were also industry, they were working in industry, so they knew what is going on in the industry and they gave that knowledge. It was not like जो slides में है वही पढ़ा दो. They also showed us कि industry में क्या चल रहा है उसमें हम लोग को कैसे करना होगा. And then after that, once we had all those human skills session as well, and then we had the CV building. So it was something that colleges don't provide. They don't provide you CV building sessions and all. They just give you a career guidance for one session. All colleges also don't provide that. So we got the CV building, we got the reviews, we got the feedback on the CV, everything, the formatting of the CV and everything. It also helps to get jobs, मतलब, outside Craftsman, right? So these were the things that they were different from the college and school wala part. In every project, we started with a media plan, right? In the Facebook project, what we did was we were given a brand known as Unbelievable, and we were given a category, and we were to promote that category on Facebook, right? So in every batch, there are teams that work on projects. So you don't work alone. So we were a team of 4 people. We created a media plan. We all had different roles assigned to each other based on the strengths and weaknesses. So once we created the media plan, it was the review part. So when you create a media plan, you create all the targeting, you select the objective and everything, then you assign the budget and everything, and then you create the ads, you create the headlines and all, and then it is reviewed by the trainer. So when it is reviewed, the trainers give you feedback with what is correct, what is not correct, if the targeting is to be changed or not, and all those things. So once the media plan is ready, then we give an estimate of numbers, like how much we are going to reach, how much traffic we are going to get, what will be the CTR that we'll get, what will be the CTA and all those things. So once everything is reviewed, we take the project live. So we set it up on Facebook. We are given a duration of 1 month, 1 week, and a set budget, and we take it live on Facebook. And then every day we have to monitor. We monitor that if the campaign is working according to our expectations. If it's not working according to expectations, then we need to make some changes. So during that 1 week period, also there were trainers who helped us. Once the campaign was completed, we created the report. So in the report, we added the estimated numbers and the numbers that we have delivered. And then once the report was generated, we again had a session with the trainer to, review the campaign, like how it went, what were the learnings that we got, what were the things that went wrong, what were the things that went right. So overall, from start to end, running a campaign for just 1 week, you understand that, yeah, it's not a तुम लोग मतलब कुछ भी कर रहे हो जा रहा है and then you giving answer. It's like you are responsible for the campaign, you are responsible for the money that you are putting in, and you are responsible for the answer that you want to give. So it's just like you do in a company, right? You have to monitor everything, you have to keep a track of everything. It's not like you start the campaign last day पे देख रहे क्या हो रहा है, nothing like that. So yeah, that was a good thing because the pressure that we had कि नहीं यार perform करना है, because there were other teams as well. So we had to outperform. We wanted to be the best among the teams. So competition वाला एक spirit था. So in the placement tool as well, you are getting jobs, but you are applying outside as well. So because the CV was structured, because the CV had everything, you had live projects, the experience that you can show. So these things help when you get a job, because everybody in today's world, digital marketing has a lot of competition, right? Everybody knows Facebook, everybody knows how to run ads on Facebook, but they don't understand that how to analyze those ads, how to analyze those metrics, and how to improve on them. And this experience you get when you run live projects, when you work on live projects, right? But these human skills things, we used to not take it seriously. So everybody in the batch was like, "Hey, chalo human skill sessions है, आराम से बैठेंगे." It used to happen in afternoon as well. So everybody used to have lunch and they used to nap and all those things. But in the end, when the course ended and when we went for the live interviews, at that point we understood कि यार these things had a big impact. क्योंकि कैसा होता है ना कि इंटरव्यू हम लोग जब जाते देने तो वी डोंट नो व्हाट वी वांट टू से, राइट? द इंटरव्यूअर आस्किंग अस क्वेश्चन, वी जस्ट टेल देम, वी ब्लैबर समथिंग के बस इंप्रेस करना है, but we don't know the right thing to say. So in these human skills sessions, we got the right things that we need to say, right? So every session was like you learn about the company that you're applying for. So these were the things that even I learned for the first time, even having experience, right? So I never used to do this. To learn about the company, research about the company. I used to like just read the JD कि हाँ ये सब मेरे बराबर है, जाओ कंपनी में इंटरव्यू दो, क्रैक हुआ तो नहीं हुआ तो देखेंगे. So this is the attitude most of the students have. But when you research about the company, you learn about the company, you get interested more in the company, you get more interested in the role. And this, gives an impact in the interview as well. So when you go for an interview prepared, you know what the company is. If you are excited about the company, the interview goes very well because you want to get into the company, so you answer that way. So these human skills sessions helped us understand about the company, understand how we need to speak, how we need to, answer certain questions, what are the interviewers looking for when they ask for certain questions, right? So Excel sessions, we were like, ठीक है, Excel में तो क्या ही होता है, nothing is there, so normal सब functions and all. But the things we learned like VLOOKUP and the pivot table and all. So from the day I joined my organization after Crafthala, from the first day we used to work on VLOOKUP and pivot. And I never had any knowledge for that. So I was like, अच्छा यार ये तो अच्छी चीज़ है, मतलब जो हमने सीखा था इधर implement हो रहा है. So these are the things के हमको लगता है मार्केटिंग आ गया, रिपोर्ट बना लिया, बट रिपोर्ट को एनालाइज करना है. उसको एनालाइज करने के लिए यू नीड टू नो पिवट टेबल, यू नीड टू नो हाउ टू वर्क विद एक्सेल शीट, यू नीड टू नो हाउ टू वर्क विद VLOOKUP. कैंपेन्स कम होता है बिकॉज कैंपेन व्हेन यू सेट अप, फिर उसके बाद सिर्फ तुम देख रहे हो, बट बाकी तो यू जनरेट अ रिपोर्ट इन एक्सेल, यू वर्क इन एक्सेल, यू एनालाइज सब एक्सेल में. पूरा दिन हम एक्सेल पे ही काम करते हैं. They also know that what kind of training we are getting, right? And since they have hired from Craftshalla, so Craftshalla has been going on for so long, they have hired candidates and they know what the quality of candidates they are getting from Craftshalla, right? So they are, I mean, they don't hesitate to provide the 4.5 LPA because they know they are getting the worth for it. Yes, kind of. Because in human skills sessions also there were some mock interviews that the trainers took. So it was like you are in a batch of 75. You are in a meeting with 75 other students and they randomly pick you. And you they say कि हम लोग आज तुम्हारा interview लेंगे ना others will listen. But I was also picked once. So I was also nervous. But once you start giving the interview, once you start giving the answers, धीरे धीरे confidence start building, right? Then you are like कि ठीक है अब आगे से जो भी होगा I'll crack it. Even in the final interviews, in the company interviews, we were like कि चलो इतना सब हो गया ये भी हो ही जाएगा कोई issue नहीं है. And because you are asked to interact in the sessions, right? 75 students, it's not like you join, you just listen and you go away. You are asked by your name, you are called out, you are asked questions कि क्या समझ में आ रहा है क्या नहीं समझ में आ रहा है. So you have to be active over there. तो ये सारी चीजें भी even in client meetings when you are there, if the manager is talking, you tend to zone out. बट नाउ बिकॉज वी नो कि यार कभी भी कुछ भी पूछ सकते हैं, वी आर अवेयर नाउ कि 4 months के ट्रेनिंग में इट्स लाइक अ बूट कैंप, अभी मसल मेमोरी हो गया. Yeah, so I was the CR of the batch. So since the starting, so it was a funny moment. So हमारे batch में everybody from the day one we created a WhatsApp group and everybody started talking over there. तो धीरे धीरे what happened was कि थोड़ा bonding हो गया teammates के साथ. And when we have a voting for CR, right? So you like it's like election. So you select some candidates and then you vote. So the whole batch votes for them who want to become the CR. So the funny incident was that we did a campaign, a proper election wala campaign. So the people in my team, they used to create like slogans and all, right? And group में डालते थे कि इसको CR बनाओ. There were some four candidates in our Facebook session. Megha Jain ma'am was there. She used to take our Facebook sessions. So she was very friendly with us. She was like a batchmate only. So उनको भी हमने बताया कि we are doing a campaign. वहाँ chats होते हैं तो chats में they used to start sending the slogans and all. So she went on Canva, she created one pamphlet kind of thing, a hoarding kind of a thing. कि इलेक्शन में होता है ना कि इसको वोट करो काइंड ऑफ थिंग, क्रिएट अ सिंबल एंड ऑल. सो इट वाज लाइक कि यार क्या हो रहा है ये. बट बहुत मजा आया. एंड इवन नाउ वी स्टिल हैव दैट व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप, राइट? एवरीबॉडी इज कनेक्टेड ओवर देयर. मोस्ट ऑफ द स्टूडेंट्स हैव गॉट प्लेस इन डिफरेंट डिफरेंट कंपनीज. बट एवरी नाउ एंड देन एवरी वीक में एक बार वी ऑल कनेक्ट इन दैट ग्रुप, वी शेयर व्हाट वी आर डूइंग, क्या क्या हो रहा है. बिकॉज सम ऑफ देम हैव लेफ्ट देयर सिटीज, दे आर इन अदर सिटीज. तो उन लोग बताते कि क्या हो रहा है क्या नहीं हो रहा है. सो दीज काइंड ऑफ थिंग्स हैपन. So once the course ended, तो उसके बाद there was a week का period where we had to rest. मतलब they were I guess calculating the scores and all, and उसके बाद they will put us in the placement pool. तो एक week का time था where we rested and we revised all the things and everything. Then उसके बाद placement pool started. So in the beginning only they say कि these are the benchmarks that you have to hit for every module if you want to get into the placement pool. If you don't hit the benchmark, either you are demoted to another batch so that you can relearn again, or otherwise then they counsel you कि भाई क्या हो रहा है क्यों नहीं हो पा रहा है, all the things. So once I entered the placement pool after completing the course, so then the team changes, right? So first we have the SST, then we have the placement team. तो प्लेसमेंट टीम के साथ देन वी हैड टू कोऑर्डिनेट के कैसे हो रहा है. तो दे टुक सम सेशंस विद अस के कंपनीज आएंगी कैसे आएंगी, प्लेटफॉर्म पे कैसे दिखेगा, हाउ द थिंग्स विल बी देयर. पूरा एक प्लेसमेंट का जो देयर इज अ पोर्टल, राइट? तो उस पे कैसे कंपनीज आती है, कैसे अप्लाई करना है, व्हाट इज द स्टेटस, कैसे अपडेट होता है, एवरीथिंग. देन प्लेसमेंट में देयर वाज अ लोकेशन कंस्ट्रेंट वाला थिंग व्हिच दे एक्सप्लेन्ड अस. if you want to work in your city only, then what is the process and all. So the placement process was nice. Then once the company started coming in, so in the placement we have passes, right? So it's like you cannot skip a lot of companies. You are given some 8 passes in the first month, and then you can skip 8 companies. After that, you have to apply for all. So this was a good thing in my opinion, because what happens is there were some roles that were coming for internship. There were some roles that were coming for an entry level. There were some roles that were coming from other cities, which I am not living. तो मोस्टली व्हाट स्टूडेंट्स डू इज के चल इंटर्नशिप तो मैं देखूंगा ही नहीं, ये एंट्री लेवल रोल है देखनी नहीं, ये कंपनी मुझे देखनी नहीं, या फिर दूसरी सिटीज भी हमें देखनी नहीं. So what happens is opportunities are here, but they don't apply. And then after 3 to 4 months, they start getting frustrated कि यार कुछ हो नहीं रहा है, कुछ हो नहीं रहा है. They start getting negative. और जाके फिर नेगेटिव रिव्यूज डालते कि हमारा कुछ हुआ नहीं है ना. So this past system was nice. कि उसमें क्या होता है कि तुमको जबरदस्ती अप्लाई करना ही है. ठीक है, कंपनीज वो देयर, तो कंपनीज वो गुड. ऐसा नहीं है कि कंपनीज कुछ भी आड़ी टेढ़ी आ रहे हैं. कंपनीज वो गुड, बट ऐसा होता है ना, एज अ प्रेशर यू थिंक कि नहीं मुझे बड़ी कंपनीज में जाना है, इसमें जाना है, बिकॉज दे आर मार्केटेड लाइक दैट, लाइक ग्रुप एम, पब्लिशर्स एंड ऑल दोस कंपनीज दे कम. उसमें भी वी यूज्ड टू डिस्कस इन द ग्रुप के यार कैसा कंपनी है क्या है. तो व्हेन अ कंपनी यूज्ड टू कम, हम लोग ग्रुप में डालते थे कि ये कंपनी आई है. पीपल यूज्ड टू रिसर्च अबाउट इट. कोई इधर रिसर्च कर रहा है, कोई उधर कर रहा है. दे यूज्ड टू पुट द इनपुट्स कि ऐसी कंपनी है, वैसी कंपनी है. So it was a good thing because कैसा होता है when you are alone, you research, you might miss something, but somebody else might have got something from that, right? So this was a good thing, and then we used to apply for the company. The placement team was always there. So when you apply for a company, you get the interview schedule, and the placement team will, intimate you कि ये company का interview is scheduled. These are the things. Some companies used to take assignments the first round. So assignments में what used to happen कि assignment दिया. So the placement team and the trainers, they used to come and they used to explain us कि assignment हमको करना कैसे है. It's not like they give you solutions. They explain you कि इसको कैसे approach करना है. Right? What is the company looking for and how you can approach. So that was a good thing कि you had a filter वाला part over there. It's not like कि कुछ भी तुमने assignment दे दिया है किसको बोले. So these were the things. Placement process में the placement team was every time there. Every week we used to have scheduled calls to discuss the problems and all. What the students are facing and what the next companies are going to come. So this was the thing. And interview process of the companies were also very smooth. Once you gave the interview, the company used to be in touch with the placement team. They used to keep you updated. कि क्या क्या हो रहा है क्या नहीं हो रहा है. Once you are placed, if the company gives an offer letter, the placement team tells you कि yeah, you are placed over here. And once you are placed, you will be out of the placement pool, right? So that's how the process was, and it was a good process. So even I was in the placement pool for around a month. So I got placed after a month. So yeah, so in that period when students start getting frustrated because कुछ हो नहीं रहा है, because कैसा होता है घर पे बैठे हैं, पैसा चाहिए, कुछ नहीं आ रहा है, इनकम बंद है, तो फ्रस्ट्रेशन आता है कि यार होगा कि नहीं होगा. But every time the placement team was there, even the human skills team sometimes we required, they used to come and help us. During my engineering days, it used to happen कि engineering में भी बहुत हो गए लोग, ठीक है. तो engineering में भी saturation was there at that time only. Even in digital marketing, the same is happening, right? Saturation is there in the market. There are a lot of people who are into digital marketing. People who do free courses on YouTube, who do one course on Udemy, and they get into digital marketing. But the main thing is that digital marketing में knowledge matters, right? So कैसा होता है ना, if you run a Facebook ad, there are lakhs of people who can run a Facebook ad, but out of those lakhs, only 100 we can improve it. So these are the things that matter. So see, AI will not replace. AI is helping us. So whatever I'm doing, I use ChatGPT full day, Excel and ChatGPT, and Grok आ गया है, and then there are other AI tools as well, DeepSeek and Gemini and all those things. So AI will not replace, but AI will help you. तो कैसा होता है ना, there are some things, even strategy building we can do from AI. AI को तुम बोलोगे कि ये हमको करना है, they'll give you a strategy, but the strategy needs the human touch, right? Because there are 10 people who will give the AI a same prompt कि मुझे strategy दो, the AI will give them the same strategy. बट उसमें तुम क्या कर रहे हो जिसकी वजह से रिजल्ट आ रहा है, बिकॉज वो स्ट्रैटेजी से रिजल्ट आना है इसका गारंटी नहीं है. यू कैंट प्रेजेंट के एआई का स्ट्रैटेजी लो क्लाइंट को दे दो क्योंकि वो खुद जनरेट कर लेगा. बट यू नीड सम ह्यूमन टच, राइट? यू नीड टू गेट सम नंबर्स, यू नीड टू हैव सम मैनुअल इंटरवेंशन ओवर देयर. जो काम हम मैनुअली करते थे जिसको 3-4 दिन लगते थे, बिकॉज एसईओ में बहुत मैनुअल वर्क होता है, इट्स वेरी लेंथी, कीवर्ड रिसर्च एंड. बट एआई के थ्रू वी कंप्लीट देम इन 1 day. So that's kind of a thing. So क्या होता है ना, जो BAU टास्क होते हैं, जो एवरीडे टास्क होते हैं, we with the help of AI we complete them in a week or so, and then we work on strategy. जो पहले हम महीना काम करते थे, 1 week में खत्म करके we work on strategy. We work on how to improve the brand. So these are the things that AI helps us do. Digital marketing के लिए I only say कि if you are getting into digital marketing, get properly. एंड पूरा फुल फ्लेज उसमें घुस जाओ. इट्स नॉट अ पार्ट टाइम वर्क, इट्स नॉट समथिंग कि तुम साइड बाय साइड कर लोगे. इफ यू वांट टू क्रिएट मेक अ करियर देन इट्स सिमिलर टू इंजीनियरिंग एंड अदर फील्ड्स एज वेल, राइट. प्रॉपर तुमको नॉलेज चाहिए, प्रॉपर तुमको फुल टाइम अपना पैशन, अपना पूरा डेडिकेशन देना होगा. तो दैट्स इट. एंड डिजिटल मार्केटिंग इज अ वेरी बिग फील्ड. उसमें बहुत कुछ आता है, इन्फ्लुएंसर एंड ऑल, बहुत सारी चीजें. इट्स वेरी क्रिएटिव, इट्स वेरी फन. बट या डिजिटल मार्केटिंग में घुसना है तो वन थिंग आई विल से कि enter properly, do a proper course if you want, do a proper certification, and don't just watch YouTube videos and enter. That's the thing I say. First thing, if you are passionate in digital marketing, if you want to make a career, then join Craftshell, right? Because if you are like explore कर रहे हैं कुछ ना कुछ, तो you do a free course या you do a some सस्ता वाला course. अगर तुमको एक्सप्लोर करना है तो डोंट गो देयर. बट अगर तुम पैशनेट हो के तुमको डिजिटल में करियर बनाना है तो ये गो टू Craftshell, राइट. एंड द मेन थिंग इज के अगर तुम सच में चाहते हो कि भाई प्रॉपरली एकदम मेरे को स्ट्रक्चर्ड वे में लर्निंग, अगर तुम चाहते हो तो ये प्रॉपर मेरे को सर्टिफिकेशन मिले जो वैलिड हो, देन यू शुड जॉइन Craftshell, राइट. एंड जो प्लेसमेंट प्रोसेस है, बिकॉज एवरीथिंग इज वेरी स्मूथ. इधर यू डोंट हैव टू स्ट्रेस अबाउट प्लेसमेंट, कैसे करना है, क्या करना है. एवरीथिंग इज मतलब सब कुछ हेल्प मिल जाती है स्टार्ट टू एंड तुमको, फ्रॉम लर्निंग टू गेटिंग प्लेस. एवरीथिंग इज सुपर स्मूथ, यू डोंट हैव टू स्ट्रेस. जैसे ही लाइफ में बहुत सारा स्ट्रेस है तो ये कम कर दे. तो दैट्स अ गुड थिंग. या अगर सच में डिजिटल में जाना है तो जॉइन Craftshell, अदरवाइज स्टे अवे.